Hello everyone, welcome to our computer class. An image can be a great way to convey the right message. As the old proverb goes, a picture is worth 10,000 words. And since an image can convey in an instant a mood, an idea, a concept, the use of images can be critical to developing an exciting presentation. This lesson is designed to help you choose and or create the right images for your presentations. So we will be discussing the Unit 2, Working with Images and Colors in Graphic Design, and that is Understanding Image Types. To begin with, let's have first the learning objectives. First is to identify the types of images in a design, and the second one is to view sample images to determine how the different types of images look. So let's get started. As a graphic designer, it is important to understand the differences among the types of images. Designers should have an idea on the limitations and benefits that each image type provides. This way, they are guided on which image type to use and when to use image type. So to begin with, let's have first the line art. Line art has two values, which is the black and white. Line art images are scanned, traced, or created in such a way. They are pixel-based and can have a file format of BMP, JPG, TIFF, or EPS. The resolution is higher than the standard resolution of 300 dpi and ranges about 600 to 1200 dpi. Dots per inch or dpi is used to measure the resolution of an image on screen and in print. So this is the example of line art. After the line art, let's have the grayscale. The grayscale image has up to 256 shades of gray. Grayscale images are results of the density of ink from 0% to 100% black ink. They are also pixel-based and can have a file format of BMP, JPG, TIFF, or EPS. The standard resolution is 300 dpi or dots per inch. Here is the example of the grayscale image type. After the grayscale, let's have the duotone. Duotone is an image type printed with two solid colors. If there are three colors, it is classified as tritone, and then quadtone if it has four solid colors. All images always begin as a grayscale. The common file format is EPS with a 300 dpi or dots per inch. Duotone is also pixel-based. This is the example of duotone images. The other type of images is the RGB. The RGB image type is used primarily for everything that is displayed on screens or monitors. The red, green, and blue colors are assigned a value between 0 and 256. The combination of three values generates one of 16.7 million colors. RGB image types are pixel-based with a file format of GIF, JPG, or PNG. The resolution is only 72 dpi or dots per inch. This is the example of RGB image type. Next is the CMYK image type. The CMYK image type is used for Commercial printing. CMYK stands for the four printing inks: cyan, magenta, yellow, and black, which are used to create all other colors on a printing press by combining them. CMYK images are also pixel-based, that is, 300 dpi in resolution and has a file format of TIFF or EPS. Here is the examples of CMYK image type. This is the difference of the RGB and the CMYK image type. The left side is the RGB image type example, and the right side is the CMYK image type example. Now, let's have the last type of images in graphic design, which is the vector art. Vector image type is created from mathematically defined lines and curves. This is the only image type that is non-pixel based, and so it is resolution independent. With such, it can be scaled to any size without losing its quality. The common format is EPS. And this is the example of vector art image type. And that ends our lesson about the different types of image in graphic designs. God bless everyone!